Today we have another unboxing. Oh, this is a Midi Fighter Twister Black, and it's basically a Midi knobs. Take one, places. Okay, here we go. All right. Oh, good. It's a bunch of knobs. See if we can figure this out in less than 3 minutes. So, this oh, no, with this kind of cable. But essentially, in your DAW, whether it's iOS or the computer, there's usually some kind of learn function. And then when you hit the learn, and you move a knob for a particular knob, virtual knob, then you're able to control things in your virtual sense. And that's the idea behind this. So now I'm going to assign this knob to this thing over here. Okay? To this knob right here. Okay? And the way to do that is to tap on these little sliders here and make sure your controller is assigned. So I have Midi Fighter Twister. This is unit right here. And then what I'm going to do is this little button here at the top icon. You tap that and it's going to do a little rocking back and forth. Then you move the knob that you want to program. So I'm going to move this one. Okay. So then this window will pop up. Then you hit learn. And then move the hardware knob that you want to control. Okay. Then the learning will turn back to learn. Then set done. And that should do it. There it is. So let's do it.